as yoga instructor and co-owner of Aravinda Yoga Center in Chelyabinsk, Russia, being qualified in psychology as well as Gymanstic. She started practicing yoga in year 2008. Julia also did yoga teacher training course from some Indian yoga organization in June 2012. When she attended abs yoga workshop with Sunil Dahiya, she already had 5 years yoga experience. Let's find out what she felt during abs yoga workshop.
Спасибо большое за занятие и за семинар. Вот я еще после занятия всем делилась, что у меня такое чувство, что я побывала в солнечной стране. Такой заряд прям бодрости, такого солнца хорошего, очень здорово. Очень хорошо проработано тело, то есть раньше я более мягкую практику практиковала, а сегодня я и на голову встала, и падмасану села, и mayurasana практически освоила. Я сама от себя не ожидала, действительно, практика просто раскрывает резервы тела, которых я сама даже не знала. И очень тоже понравилась практика медитации. Возможно, после насыщенной работы тела прям вот такое спокойствие по всему развелось. Я тоже очень надеюсь, что еще получится позаниматься с вами. Вот, мы будем стараться, чтобы это все случилось еще неоднократно. Большое спасибо.
On the 24th of February, she mentioned on her blog, vk.com/aravinda74. At Saturday the 22nd of February, the Ghatastha Yoga workshop with Indian master Sunil Dahiya happened. Many from participators were wondering, what kind of yoga style is that from Himalayas? Which gives flexibility, strength and health? How is it different from other styles? I will share my impressions about it. Sunil Dahiya has rare talent of opening such abilities of your body, about which you could not guess. He says, don't say that I can't do, till you try it in my class. And that is really so. I thought that it is early for me to sit in padmasana, to do mayurasana and shirshasana independent. I had doubts about Ashtavakrasana, and here on the 22nd of February, it happened that I could do all that. And not only I, yoga instructors, also beginners and mature women, who don't have big physical preparation. And experienced yoga instructors went even further, and after mastering headstand with ease, they stood on hands. And what is amazing is, despite practice with Sunil being considerable intense and power-oriented, difficult asana become incredibly easy. Perhaps that is due to charge, which comes from master. Easiness, smile, cheerfulness, sea of warmness and light. Worthy all those what we got during the workshop.